Okay, if you're in the market for a very, very high spec Defender 90 and you want to save a lot of money from new cost, then pay attention because we have just bought this. Behind me is a Defender 90 HSE. It's an X-Dynamic and it's the D300 engine. It's a really rare car for us to get, and we are Defender specialists really. In a rare colour as well, Hakuba Silver. This car looks exceptional. Really important features, 22-inch 5-arm wheels and deployable tow bar. But being a 300 horsepower 90, it drives very, very well. It also looks fantastic from the exterior with the arch extensions and the X-Dynamic full colour code. So the black pack gives it the black roof, mirrors, badging, midsection and front and rear sections painted in the gloss black. Matrix LEDs to the front as well. You can see that lifts the car when you're driving around, or if it's stationary like this. But I love the wheels. Wheels are really important on a car. This one has the best design for me for the Defender, all in an immaculate condition. Now this car is a 2024 73, registered in 24. That means it's got warranty until 2027 with Land Rover. Being an HSE, we have fabulous options like Napa leather finishes throughout, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, 11.4-inch touchscreen. The seats at the front are heated and ventilated, opening sunroof, Meridian Sound memory seats, fantastic features to use every day. It's a great car, it's a great price. And like I said right at the start of the video, if you're in the market for a really high spec vehicle that isn't black, because a lot of the ones we sell are black or dark grey, I think the colour takes the contrast into real good perspective because it matches. You can see all the different elements of the car, especially when you've got the extended arches. Then we've got steps and mud flaps as options. Bumper protector at the back. Obviously these get scratched when you're getting things in and out. And then we have this, the deployable tow bar, a little button in the back. Being the 300 horsepower, this will pull up to, I think, 3.5 tons. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty certain. Spare wheel cover in Hakuba Silver with the black section, just matching and tying in with the car. Painted door handles, keyless entry. Now, into the good stuff, because this car has lots to go through on the inside. Being the X-Dynamic, you've got the X-Dynamic kick sills. Everything's in a fantastic condition. Meridian Sound, memory seats, electric seats. But what I like about an HSE is you get little features like this. So electric steering column, Napa leather steering wheel, Napa leather top dash and mid dash, switchable driver, digital driver zone. On the steering wheel, see we've got heated and adaptive cruise control, lane assist, safety features, switchable here. Another thing that I like about this is it's got the black headlining, which just gives it a really nice finish inside. You see we've got the opening sunroof. Obviously you've got your blind and your electric sunroof switches here. But the 11.4-inch touchscreen makes a difference in the Defender. This car's got it. It's also got ventilated seats to the front. You've got heated seats to the front, heated front and rear screens, USCs and USBs, 2 keys, Napa leather armrest, just Napa leather or leather center console, and the tunnels, all the finishes are just better in a HSE. Wireless smartphone integration, which is nice, all your 4-wheel drive and terrain settings. But then we've got the camera system as well, reverse camera, top view camera, and we've got the tow camera with the towing pass, with tow assist. Just a great car for a 90. It's done 7,929 miles, this car. It's like new condition, and you've got the warranty till 2027. It was registered in January of 2024. What a car it is. It's on the website now. Defenders are our forte. Another one to add to a fabulous selection we have, but really in a 90 it doesn't come any better. Thanks for watching.